Hello, this is Infinity Creator, and you might be thinking that I have not uploaded a video since long because I was busy. So today I have made an awesome project, that is a drone. This drone is F330. I have not made the making of this video, but I will of course upload it afterwards. So you can see the flight of this video, and this is a remote. So I will now onwards upload the videos on time. So I hope you enjoy our flight. I've deliberately not flew the drone at a very height because it was unstable, since the flight controller which I have used is very unstable. So if you like this project, then give us a thumbs up and also comment in this video in the comment section, and bye and thank you.